If you're looking to bring a true cinematic experience into your living room without a massive setup, this Sony BRAVIA 243-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart TV combined with the BRAVIA Theater System 6 5.1-channel soundbar bundle is exactly the kind of solution that fits the bill. This pairing aims to deliver everything from stunning visuals to immersive audio in a compact, sleek package. The 43-inch 4K panel stands out with brilliant clarity, vibrant colors, and deep contrast. HDR content comes to life with punchy highlights, and darker scenes maintain detail without crushing shadows. Motion handling is smooth, which is particularly noticeable during fast-paced movies or sports, and even content that isn't natively 4K gets upscaled effectively, retaining sharpness and visual depth. On the design side, the TV keeps a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Ultra-thin bezels and a clean back panel mean it doesn't dominate the room visually, letting your content be the star. The Google TV interface is fluid and responsive, giving instant access to streaming platforms, apps, and voice commands. Navigation is intuitive, making it simple to find exactly what you want to watch without delay. The real standout is the BRAVIA Theater System 6. This 5.1-channel soundbar setup transforms the audio experience completely. Dialogues come through crystal clear, bass is rich and controlled, and the surround sound makes every scene feel more immersive. Action sequences feel more engaging, and music tracks sound fuller. The wireless rear speakers simplify setup while delivering authentic surround sound placement, so you feel immersed without messy wires everywhere. This combination is perfect for smaller living spaces or anyone who wants high-end performance without a complicated setup. Movies suddenly feel cinematic, gaming is more dynamic, and even casual TV watching feels elevated. It's not just about watching content, it's about feeling it. Setup is straightforward, the system is compact, and the overall package creates a premium experience without requiring a giant room. If you're aiming for a high-quality entertainment setup that's easy to manage and brings both crisp visuals and deep audio to your space, this Sony BRAVIA bundle is a solid choice. To get your hands on this 43-inch 4K Sony BRAVIA 2.2 Smart TV with the BRAVIA Theater System 6 5.1-channel home theater bundle, check out the link in the description below. Whether it's movies, series, or gaming, this combination makes any media experience feel next level.